Welcome to our YouTube review of CoolCura's, the ultimate solution for natural pain relief and relaxation. In this video, we delve into the effectiveness and benefits of CoolCura's. From its innovative design to its fast-acting results, discover why CoolCura's is gaining attention as a game-changer in holistic therapy. Stay tuned as we explore how CoolCura's can transform your approach to managing pain and stress. What is CoolCura? CoolCura introduces you to the rejuvenating power of Feng Fu ice therapy, seamlessly blending ancient wisdom with contemporary convenience. By targeting pressure points on your body, it naturally alleviates aches, pains, and stress. Engineered for simplicity and effectiveness, CoolCura offers a drug-free solution to modern-day discomforts, allowing you to unwind and revitalize with ease. Five important features of CoolCura. Natural relief. Harnessing the power of ancient Feng Fu ice therapy, CoolCura offers drug-free pain relief by targeting pressure points on the body. Fast and effective. Experience relief in as little as 20 minutes with CoolCura's innovative design, which stimulates blood flow and endorphin release for rapid results. Doctor recommended. Backed by medical professionals like Dr. Ralph Orejema, CoolCura is recommended for chronic pain relief, ensuring its efficacy and safety. Convenient and mess-free. Unlike traditional ice packs, CoolCura's ergonomic design is easy to use and mess-free, making it perfect for use at home or on the go. Long-lasting relief. With daily use, CoolCura can even eliminate headaches entirely, providing lasting relief from various symptoms like stress, anxiety, and sleeplessness. Why we love CoolCura. CoolCura offers natural pain relief without drugs. It provides fast-acting, effective results. Recommended by doctors for chronic pain. Convenient and mess-free application. Offers long-lasting relief from headaches, stress, and other symptoms. How does CoolCura work? CoolCura harnesses the ancient wisdom of Feng Fu ice therapy by targeting pressure points on your body, particularly the Feng Fu point known for its headache and stress-relieving properties. By applying gentle pressure and keeping it cool, CoolCura stimulates blood flow and endorphin release, naturally relieving pain and inducing a sense of well-being. Its innovative design makes it convenient and effective for fast, drug-free relief from various ailments. Why should you choose CoolCura? Choose CoolCura for natural, drug-free relief from headaches, stress, and more. Recommended by doctors, its innovative design targets pressure points with ease, offering fast and effective relief in just 20 minutes. Unlike traditional methods, CoolCura is mess-free, always ready, and adaptable for on-the-go use. Embrace the safer, healthier choice for pain relief and relaxation with CoolCura. CoolCura price and amp packages. 1 CoolCura. Experience relief with 1 CoolCura for just $34.99, saving 22% off the retail price of $44.99. Plus, take advantage of this offer and get yours with shipping and handling. 3 CoolCuras. Our most popular option. Buy 2 CoolCuras and get 1 free for only $89.98. Save 33% off the retail price of $134.97. Enjoy free shipping within the USA. 5 CoolCuras. Get the best value with 5 CoolCuras. Buy 3 and get 2 free for just $134.97, saving 40% off the retail price of $224.95. Enjoy free shipping anywhere in the USA. CoolCura user reviews. For additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thank you for watching our review of CoolCuras. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if you've tried CoolCuras or if you have any questions. Remember, for natural pain relief and relaxation, CoolCuras is your go-to solution. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, stay cool and stay well.